Bafana's prolific starlets have agreed to join Kaizer Chiefs. According to Transfer Market, Tabocele has agreed to join Chiefs as reported by El Playbook ZA. The publisher further elaborated that he terminated his contract with the team from Poland, Radomiak. He should be here on Wednesday or Thursday to sign a 3-year deal. Kaizer Chiefs are continuing with their squad revamp and have reportedly submitted 1.67 million bid for Tabocele. However, amakhosi are seemingly revived their interest in the central midfielder and submitted a €100,000 bid for the player as reported by Polish journalist Semyon Jezonski. Potential midfielder arrived in Poland on a free transfer from Portuguese side Cover Piedad and made 13 appearances in his season at the club so far. Usoto have also tabled an offer for the Bafana central midfielder. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.